Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying carrier support and permissions, because not all carriers allow direct conversion, so check your account now. Once done, backup contacts and settings. This prevents data loss during swapping. Next, obtain the correct physical SIM size and unlock codes, and keep your SIM eject tool handy. Make sure your device is updated and unlocked by the carrier, since a locked phone blocks new physical SIM activation. Proceed when all prerequisites are confirmed and visible. You now extract the eSIM details. Open Settings, navigate to Mobile or Cellular Plans, and view the active eSIM profile to note the ICSID and carrier profile name. If your device prevents export, contact the carrier to request a physical SIM activation. Ask for a QR code or ICSID provisioning. Once the carrier issues a SIM or activation code, make sure you receive the correct SIM size and any PUK or PIN needed. Keep the original eSIM. You complete the switch by powering off and inserting the physical SIM in the correct tray orientation. Label the SIM if needed. Power on, then follow on-screen carrier activation prompts, scan the provided QR code, or enter the ICSID and activation code. Once the phone registers, make a test call, send an SMS, and browse mobile data to confirm service. If the new SIM fails to register, first toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reinsert. Then contact carrier support with ICSID and account details for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.